welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to learn about the calendar module. So it is a inbuilt module in the Python. It is already defined. You just need to import this particular module. So Python provides a calendar module that contains various methods to work with the calendars. So we will see two type of demos in this calendar module. First one is printing the calendar of a particular month and then printing the calendar of whole year. So let's first see printing the calendar of a single month. So here I have calendar.python file. So first thing I need to do is import the module. So import calendar. So once I import the calendar, let's say I want to print now the month calendar for a particular year. So you need to make use of the name of module, which is calendar dot, then you need to have the method here month, and here you can pass two parameters. First one is a year, so it will take year as a parameter, and the second one is the of that year which month you want to print. So let's say I want to print third month, which is March of 2022. Let's save this and run now. So see, I'm getting here input output. Let's see here. So here we are getting March 2022 and here the calendar of March 2022. So here you can see entire month calendar is printed here. Let me change the values. Let's say I want to print 2022 12 month, which is December. Save this, run now. See, we are getting here December 22 and then the calendar for December 22 20. Let's say another, which is 2010 and 12. Let's run this. So see, we are getting here result for 2010 December. Now next thing what we want to do, we want to print the calendar of whole year. So we will provide a single year as a parameter and we will get the calendar of all 12 months of that particular year. So for this you need to make use of a method called prcal. So with the help of this method, it is used to print the calendar of entire year. So the year of which the calendar to be printed must be passed into the method. So let me show you that. So prcal, and here let's say you want to have the calendar of 2022. So we need to pass the year as a parameter to this method prcal, which is inside this module calendar, which we have imported. So let's save this and run now. So see, from the start here we are getting the year printed as 2022 and then January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September till December we are getting the output. So whatever calendar of year you wanted, you need to just pass this to your prcal method to this calendar module. So that was all about the calendar modules. We will see another inbuilt modules in next video. Thank you for watching.